This is a 2016 Acura RDX. It's time to change the wipers, so I thought I'd make a short video showing you how to do that. Alright, you got it up. Now you want to lift this little tab right here. You can use your nails. If you need a small screwdriver, pop that up. See that? Now it just pulls down and that will come out. Now all you want to do is just pull down on it, and that with that door open, you pull down on it and that gets it loose and it just pops right out. How it's doing that is it's hooked on this little loop. Alright, now we'll install the new one. I picked up the driver's side on this particular car. It's a 26-inch blade on the driver's side. I bought the Michelin Premiums. They're going for about 22 bucks right now at Walmart. You got some kind of attachment here for, I guess, a different option of mounting. And then you have the actual wiper itself. It's flexible. You just want to flip this up, and it's the same deal. We're going to come in here. It slides right in. Boom. And then you flip this down. The wiper's on. You don't really want to do that, though. All right. Let's see the passenger side. It's going to be a little harder to get to because it's so far over there. You can honestly leave it down and try to pop this up. Bam. Look at there. Got it. All right. Now, like I said, you just want to push that way and it should come off. It's hard to do one-handed. Okay. All right, maybe I can't do it one-handed. Oh, there it is. Anyway, it's so easy. You just get it in the slot, pull it towards you, and snap it shut. These are done. You want to make sure you take these little blue things off if your brand that you buy has them.